Hello, welcome back to another video of Coding with Radine. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a cat fly. So what I've obviously done is get rid of the regular cat one and go to choose a sprite and scroll all the way down until I find cat flying. And this backdrop is one of Scratch custom backdrops that I already pre-made, and it's called Concert. So the first thing, as always, you get when flat click, then to motion, move 10 steps, control forever, and then an if block, which we're gonna place outside. Like so, this in this, and we need this going here, which should look like something like this, but we're not done yet. If touching edge, you need to get one of these, put it in here, and if touching edge, we're gonna make it turn 180 this way, turn 180 degrees. It should look something like this. See, it should turn, and then add another. So right now it's broken. So we're gonna delete this one that I made by accident. We're gonna get another motion block saying move 10 steps and try to figure out the bug. Okay, it should, see, now we have a flying cat that bounces off the borders. Okay, if you like this video, please like and subscribe because it would really help out the channel. Peace.